I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Activating a new SIM on Rogers can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is how to get it done. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start, make sure you have your new SIM card, your phone, and any necessary account information handy. This includes your Rogers account number and any identification required for activation. Step 2. Insert the SIM card. Power off your phone and insert the new SIM card into the SIM tray. Make sure it is seated properly before turning your phone back on. Step 3. Go to the activation page. Open a web browser on your device and navigate to the Rogers SIM activation page. You can also use the My Rogers app if you have it installed. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions. Enter the required information, including your SIM card number and your account details. Follow the prompts to complete the activation process. If you see an error message, double-check that your SIM number is entered correctly. Step 5. Restart your phone. Once you receive confirmation that your SIM is activated, restart your phone to ensure it connects to the network. You should see signal bars indicating that your phone is ready to use. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Rogers customer support for assistance. Happy connecting!